Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic for all Cash App users out there, verifying your identity. Whether you're new to Cash App or you've been using it for a while without verifying, this step is crucial for unlocking all the features Cash App has to offer, like sending and receiving higher amounts of money, investing in stocks or Bitcoin, and much more. But first, why is it important to verify your identity on Cash App? Well, for starters, it's all about security and compliance. Cash App needs to ensure you really you to prevent fraud and comply with financial regulations. Plus, once you're verified, you get access to all the cool features Cash App offers. Step 1. Open Cash App and tap the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 2. Scroll down and find Personal. Tap on it. Your Cash App will ask for some personal information. You will need to enter your full legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. After you've entered your information, Cash App might ask you to provide additional identification. This could be a government issued ID like a driver's license or passport. Step 4. In some cases, Cash App may also require a selfie to ensure that the ID matches the user. Just follow the prompts to take a selfie within the app. Once you've submitted all the required information and photos, it's time to wait. Verification can take up to 44 hours, though it's often much quicker. You'll receive a notification from Cash App once your identified is wired. And that's it. Some simple steps to get your identity verified on Cash App.